Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever looked at someone and thought, objectively, they're not ugly, but something is just off? Yeah, that something might be happening to you, and no mirror will show it. Because attractiveness isn't just about your face, it's about habits, behaviors, and tiny details that silently destroy how people see you. Today I'm breaking down 10 things that make you ugly without you even realizing it. Some of these will sting, but if you fix even 2, people will treat you differently, guaranteed. Let's get into it. 1. Bad posture. Slouching instantly makes you look insecure, tired, and low status. You could have a great face, nice clothes, doesn't matter. If your shoulders are rounded and your head is down, people subconsciously see you as less attractive. Good posture signals confidence, health, and dominance. Bad posture screams, I don't even believe in myself. Fix it, it's free. 2. Constantly complaining. Nothing kills attractiveness faster than negativity. If every conversation you have is about how life sucks, people drain, work sucks, money sucks, people associate you with bad feelings. Attraction is emotional, and no one is attracted to a walking headache. 3. Poor hygiene details. This isn't about being dirty, it's the small things. Bad breath, greasy hair, dirty nails, clothes that smell off. People notice these instantly, even if they don't say anything. And once they notice, you're mentally labeled as unattractive. Details matter more than genetics. 4. Desperation for approval. Trying too hard to be liked makes people uncomfortable. Over-laughing, over-agreeing, constantly explaining yourself. Confidence is attractive. Neediness is repulsive. The more you chase validation, the less people respect you. 5. Bad facial expressions. Some people walk around looking angry, bored, or annoyed 24/7 without realizing it. Your resting face matters. If you always look irritated or emotionally closed off, people avoid you instinctively. Relax your face. Slight softness greater than constant tension. 6. Dressing with no intent. You don't need expensive clothes, but you do need intention. Baggy, wrinkled, mismatched outfits tell people, I didn't think about how I show up. Attractive people look put together, even in basic clothes. Effort is attractive. 7. No eye contact. Avoiding eye contact makes you seem insecure or untrustworthy. Too much eye contact is creepy, but none at all is worse. Eye contact builds connection, confidence, and presence. People can feel when you're not really there. 8. Talking only about yourself. If every conversation circles back to you, your problems, your achievements, people feel used, not connected. Attractive people make others feel seen. Ask questions, listen, react. That's rare and powerful. 9. Low energy presence. You don't need to be loud or hyper, but low energy, dragging your feet, dull voice, lifeless reactions, kills attraction instantly. Energy is contagious. People gravitate toward those who feel alive. 10. Zero self-respect. This is the big one. Letting people disrespect you, tolerating things you hate, talking badly about yourself. If you don't respect yourself, no one else will. Self-respect is the foundation of attractiveness. Attractiveness isn't about being perfect. It's about awareness. Most people don't realize what's holding them back. Now you do. If this video made you uncomfortable, that's good. It means you're growing. Like the video, subscribe if you want more real talk,